Welcome everyone. I'm having this data here with student ID, gender, age, school, and fees paid. So you can see we have some positive numbers and some negative numbers here. Let me add another negative number so that we can see what we're trying to say. So now I want to format this data. It's not really having any structure, so I want to format this data. So I can click Ctrl A to select all the data. Now I want to convert this data into a table. So I'll click Insert and click Table. Now here it says my table has headers. What we're trying to say is the first row is going to be used as headers, and here the data that has been selected is A1 to E29. So by clicking OK, we have converted our Excel data into a table. So we can go to Home and add some borders to this data, and we can go to Table Design and remove the banded rows, whereby you are having one row highlighted, another row painted. So we remove the banded rows and we can remove the filter pattern. So these buttons that you can use to filter the data, we can remove the filter button. So that's how you can convert that data into a table. But now we can also try to change this data into currency format. So now let me just select this and go to number format and go to more number formats. Then I'll go to currency. When I go to currency, I'm going to change the symbol to MWK. And the number of decimal places, I want 0 number of decimal places. So here you can see how it will look like. If it's a positive number, it will look like this. If it's a negative number, it will have a negative one. If you want a negative number to look like this, you can choose the red one so that it should be red, or you can choose a negative number to be put in a bracket like this. So I want the negative number to have a negative sign. When you click OK, this is what we're getting because the space is not enough, so we just have to increase this space. Then we are having this as the format of our data. We could also use another format. Okay, we could also select and go to number format, more number formats. Here we can use the accounting format, and the symbol I want the same MWK, and then number of decimal places I want 0 number of decimal places. Here I can select MVR instead of MWK. Then you can select OK. So the goodness with accounting is this one. You can see that the symbols are on one side or the numbers on the other side. These numbers in bracket are the negative numbers. So that's how you can format your data from any number into currency format or accounting format. You can use any other symbol on this side.